So for this video, we will be making some turkey pretzels.
You will need pretzels, meltables, candy corn, edible eyeballs, frosting, and cookies. Preferably round ones like Oreos, but these will work too.
And the first thing we'll be doing is melting the dark chocolate. You put them in the microwave for 1 minute. So our chocolate is pretty much ready. So we're gonna grab our pretzel and dip it into the chocolate.
I usually cover about half of the pretzel.
We're gonna turn this pretzel into a turkey, and once again we're gonna go ahead and use the little eyes.
Before our chocolate sets, we go ahead and place the eyeballs. Cut the tip of your candy corn and place it before the chocolate sets.
We're going to use any type of cookie.
Now grab your cookie, open it in half, and place your pretzel on top of your cookie. You might need to use some frosting to make sure it sticks. We're now going to place candy corns all around, and once again, you can use more frosting to make sure they stay in place.
Glue with the frosting the candy corn.
Think of your frosting as glue. They look so adorable. Once you're done, put them inside the refrigerator so they can set. I'm so in love with them. This is how they turned out. Also, I made some turkey cupcakes. Make sure you go watch that video if you haven't done so. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving.